In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to ING Bank. So in order to do this, first go ahead and open up the Revolut app, and then what you can do is click on Payments in the bottom. From here, you want to go ahead and click on Plus in the top right. Now here, click on Bank Recipient. Then here, just go ahead and select your country, currency, enter your IBAN, and enter your first and middle names and your last name. And then after entering all of this, just go ahead and click on Add Recipient in the bottom. And then once you click on Add Recipient, your bank will show up right here, so just go ahead and click on it. And then you will see this, so make sure that your name and IBAN at the top is correct, and if they are, just go ahead and click on Send in the bottom. Then here choose how much you would like to send, so you can see your balance right here. So for example, I will do €2. And then after continuing, all you need to do is to click on Send. Then after you click on Send, it will show up in your ING bank account pretty much instantly, and it's just within seconds. So now you know how to transfer money from Revolut to ING. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.